Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Now let's tap on show your data at the top. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using the device today. In my case, it's 19 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, but also on the camera, Chrome, Play Store, contacts, and the Google. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count, and it depends because we've got two different ways to check some further details. It depends what you want to check, of course. If you will tap inside this graph, you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show you the screen time, the total screen time. So you can compare the time in particular days, and under it you've got all of the apps listed with the exact time you've spent on them. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way is to tap on the app. So for example, the settings, camera, Chrome. Let me pick the settings. And again, we've got this dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with the with this particular app. So in my case, settings, we can change the screen time to the notifications and times opened, the same just like it was in the first option, in the first way, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.